Hello my dear friends, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Today in this video, I am going to cover about vocabulary. First topic is prefixes. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added before a word to make a new word. Adding a prefix to a word changes the meaning of the word. The prefix un and dis means not or the opposite of. Example, on adding un before the word familiar, it leads to formation of word unfamiliar, which means not familiar. Similarly, on adding dis before the word believe, it leads to the word disbelieve, which means not believe. Second topic is suffix. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Adding a suffix to a word changes the meaning of the word to. The suffix less means without. Example, adding less after the word use, it makes the word as useless. It means of no use. Similarly, color plus less means colorless is formed, which means without color. Next is synonym. A synonym is a word which has the same or similar meaning as another word. Synonyms are used to avoid repetition, to bring in variety in writing, or to make the language more precise. Example, we can use gossip, chat, discuss, speak instead of talk, writing or speaking everywhere. Similarly, for nice we can use kind, helpful, friendly, agreeable, good. For big we can use huge, gigantic, large, massive. And for run we can use race, dash, bolt. Next is antonym. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Example, always, antonym is never, dislikes antonym is like, slowly's antonym is quickly, sad's antonym is happily. Next is homonyms. Homonyms are the words that have the same sounds and spellings but different meanings. Example, notice. As a verb, it means pay attention to something, whereas as noun, it means information on a sheet of paper. Similarly, word ring as verb means make a telephone call, whereas as noun, it means a piece of jewelry. Next are homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Example, break is break and brake is also break. Break, this break means to break something. Break means you have to put brake to stop a vehicle. Similarly, word stationery, hair and flower. Next topic is similes. A simile is an expression that describes something by comparing it with something else under adjective and words like or as. We use similes to write better. Example, as busy as a bee, as light as a feather, as hot as fire, as cold as ice. Normally we say as busy as bee. It means a person is very busy. That's it in this video. In the next video, I will come up with notice writing and writing messages. Up till then, keep watching my channel and please share the video, subscribe the channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.